Welcome to the second lesson of Code Geeks. In this lesson, we will install Apache, MySQL, and then clone the VChel repository and start coding and debugging it with Eclipse. After this lesson, you will be able to analyze our source code and work with it, and program in PHP with a debugger and be happy. The easiest thing to set this up is to install WAMP. And this WAMP stack is Windows, Apache, MySQL, PHP. One fun fact, it is installing MariaDB and MySQL. MariaDB is the same as MySQL. It installs both, and you cannot even choose otherwise. It's a bit crazy, but okay. Next. So now you will have two databases, MySQL and Maria, and you cannot choose otherwise. But they both have the same default port because MariaDB is a fork of MySQL. MySQL is from Oracle, and it was free, and then Oracle made it coasty, and some developers were unhappy and forked the project and created MariaDB, which is the same ports, same protocol, all the same, but community driven. And you install both now. This will cause us a bit headache because we have to choose the correct port, or if we want a Maria or MySQL, it will give a slight headache, but we will manage it. Now open your browser, go to localhost. xdebug already installed as well? Oh, nice. Which port? 9003, okay. So do you have Eclipse already?
Yes.
We now need to point Apache to your project folder. Maybe look at vhost. Perfect. Now we change the document root to your project folder. You have a project folder in Eclipse somewhere. f:projects. Directory is the same.
Good.
Yes. Now restart the Apache. You need to restart when you make changes. You either have to reload the configuration or restart the server. Do the other clicking, restart all services. Now we set up debugger. Go to your project folder. Make a new file, info.php. Now edit it, the PHP magic bytes, PHP, and then PHP info. Save. Now open this in your browser. Loaded configuration file. There, we need to edit this file. Now from your other PHP ini, copy this.
Okay.
Now we have port is already fine, send extension fine, mode develop, comma debug. You see, comma debug. And then the last line, xdebug start with request.
Here?
This one we need two, and the rest can be deleted. The other 4 lines can be deleted. The last line we keep. Save. Restart Apache, please. Now search for xdebug. Yeah, a bit down. Develop debug. Start with request. Where is this? Start with request. Yes. Okay. Now open your welcome. Thanks for this localhost, Gizmo. The localhost. Go to localhost again. New CGX. Hello world. Oh, what happened with Eclipse now? Please go to Eclipse. We are at the breakpoint via the web. You triggered the site via web, and it's triggering the breakpoint. Now play or step over play. Now go to your site again. Press play. Play. Yeah. Resume, play. Okay, now look. Now it's there. You see, we hit the debugger. We can now debug every tiny piece of code. Well, the next step is we do something cool. We now clone the VChel repository. Git clone -- recursive on now the repository. And again, this repository is almost all the VChel code and a few other projects with my own framework. Okay, now you have git clone the project gwf3 from GitHub, and now we will add this project to Eclipse. You make a file, new, other, PHP project, and now you type the folder name. gwf3 is the folder name. We can rename it if you want, but gwf3 is a folder on your file system. You take this. Use gwf3. It's fine. So you select important, create new project, contents, create new project in the top. This is important. This one, yeah, create new project is already selected, is important. And now it warns you in the bottom, external location already exists, but it's fine. Click finish. And it's all we need. Thanks for watching. I hope we will see you again later.